Hello, everyone. It's Dr. Desiree Alexander, aka Educator Alexander, and here is your 5-minute tip for this week. So, what I want to discuss this week is how to record and how to add videos in Cami. So, you don't have to use multiple tools, you can just use Cami for that engaging video creation and addition. Remember to click the thumbs up button to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that you do have to have the paid Cami. There's a lot of awesome things that you can do with the free Cami, but for these, you have to have either the individually paid Cami or your district would have had to pay for Cami. So if I come here to comment, I have video comment and screen capture. So these are the two ways that you and your students can create videos right here in Cami. So let's say I wanted to give some more directions about what I want them to do with this assignment. So I can come here and click video comment, and then I can come and click on wherever I want the video comment to actually be connected. And notice it has already started recording because I've clicked it. But I can come here and I can choose the color, and I can do this later as well. And I can move this around. So I'm like, no, I actually want it right here, that kind of thing. So notice it's recording down here. If you don't want it to record down here, you only want it to record in the tab, is really up to you. You can come here and click back to tab, and it's the same recording both times, y'all. But when I'm done, or when your students are done, don't forget your students can do this. You can say, hey, I really want you to explain this concept more, but I want you to do it on video. Engaging. So I'm going to come here and click done. Notice I do have a trash can if I'm like, no, I just need to start over. I can come and click done here, or I can click done here. I also have a pause recording button. So if I pause it, oh, I'm going to take a drink of water. Now I'm resumed, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click done. And now I have my video here. It's saving. So I have my video here. I can go ahead and play it. Whatever I want. Whatever I want. The video comments, I really want here. I also have a pause recording button. I want you to see the pause. Now I'm resuming. All right. So you saw a pause, then you kind of like skipped a little bit, right? So when your students are using this, or if you are using it, right? If the students did the video, they won't be able to remove it. So do keep that in mind. But they can put you full screen. Oh, that's a nice picture. They can put you full screen. They can also come here and do the playback speed. They can also do picture in picture. So picture in picture is kind of cool because if I do picture in picture, now I can scroll down and still be listening to the video. Really awesome. Now, if it's back to tab, then that means it's going to stay here. So if I scroll down, I'm not going to be able to see it anymore. And they also have generating captions. So they can have closed captions, or you can have closed captions to actually read what they said in the video. Next, we have screen capture. So now I'm just going to pick somewhere else, and I'm going to say, yep, I want to put my screen capture right here. Notice I still have my colors and all that kind of stuff. Do you want to capture the screen? So that means it's going to record what you're doing on the actual screen. Do you only want them to record one tab? So notice I only have one tab open besides Cami. So I can say, yeah, I want you to only record Google Chrome. Do you want them to record the whole window? So whatever I do in this window, it will pick up. Or I can do the entire screen. So that means even if I minimize this and I'm on my desktop, it's still going to be recording because it's recording the entire screen. So, and I can go to, of course, different tabs and things like that. So I'm just going to say entire screen. I'm going to click share. So now I'm sharing my entire screen. So it's the same stuff where you have pause recording. You can also, right now, my camera is disabled, but I can enable my camera as well. Now, the thing that I want to warn you against is what if you want to start clicking on the screen? You don't want to stay on comment screen capture because as soon as you click, it's going to try to start a brand new screen capture. So you want to go up to select, and then you can start, clicking all over your screen. So that's a mistake I make pretty regularly. But now you can start clicking all over your screen. I notice it has the stop sharing down here. I would click hide so the students won't see that. But there you go. So it's like, boo, 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 I'm sharing my screen. I'm going everywhere. I can go here. I can come here. I can minimize and come here to my weird looking desktop. And it looks weird for a reason, but you're fine. So there you go. That is how you can use your screen sharing. So now I can click done and I have my screen share. Notice that it's saving like it did last time. So now I'm pretty regularly. All right. So then of course I can come here and I can click the, full screen button, everything that I showed you last time, same thing. So last but not least, I want to show you how you can add a video. So if I come here to add media, I can come here and add a YouTube video. So notice that you have to actually have the link to the video. So you can go to open YouTube to go find your video. I'm just going to get this 5-minute timer because that's awesome. That's exactly what I want. So I'm going to come to the share link. Remember, this is not your share link up here. I'm going to click copy. I'm going to come back here. And now I have my video that I want to add. Notice I can start it at a certain time and end it at a certain time. If I didn't want the whole thing, I'm just going to go ahead and put the whole thing. And I can click insert. So when you do that, it's going to ask you, where do you want to drop it? So just be careful about where you drop it, because once you drop it, you can't make it go off of that page. So let's say I want to drop it right here, and I can make it, a little bit smaller and that kind of thing if I can control my mouse. No, I'm making it bigger, but I want to make it smaller. Okay, there you go. You get the point. Okay. All right, we got it. All right, so, but you can't move it off of this screen. So if I want to move it, when I click on it, notice it has my little move button. So I can't move it off of this page. Not a big deal, because I can just go and add it to that page. But just to save yourself some time, make sure that you're dropping it exactly where you want it. And then again, you have some of the same little buttons, and you have your delete button. I'm going to pause it before it goes off. And there you go. So that is how you can use video comment, screen capture, and add media to add videos from YouTube. Again, I cannot stress enough. You see what I'm saying? Don't stay on comment, select. So remember that your students can also use this. So it's not just you. Have your students show you how to do that math problem. Have your students explain a concept, and you can do it all here within Cami. Good luck.